Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable ultra-wide camera on Snapchat on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone and go directly to the camera screen. You will see options above the capture button that typically show 1 or 2x. Tap on 0.5x or 0.6x depending on your iPhone model to activate the ultra-wide camera instantly. If the 0.5x option is not visible, you can also use the pinch gesture. Use 2 fingers to pinch outward or inward on the screen. This action will zoom out your camera and trigger the ultra-wide mode. It's a quick way to access a wider view, especially for group shots or landscapes. Depending on your iPhone model and Snapchat version, you might even see zoom options that go up to 6x. Keep in mind, this is available on newer iPhones with ultra-wide lens support and the latest version of Snapchat. So that's basically how you can enable ultra-wide camera on Snapchat on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.